Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Voyager versus Corne keyboards. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which one best suits your needs. Both are popular ergonomic options, but they cater to slightly different preferences. Understanding their unique features is key to making an informed choice for your setup. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. The Voyager keyboard is known for its generous key count, usually around 50 to 52 keys, which can be great for those who prefer fewer layers. Its slightly wider key spacing might feel more natural for users with larger hands or those accustomed to standard layouts. Plus, the inclusion of dedicated function rows can streamline your workflow, making it a powerful tool for productivity. Moving on to the Corne, this keyboard is celebrated for its minimalist design, often featuring just 42 keys. This compact form factor is perfect for saving desk space and encourages efficient layer usage, which can lead to faster typing once mastered. It's a favorite among enthusiasts who enjoy customizing their key maps and embracing a more streamlined, layer-centric approach to their input. Ultimately, the best keyboard depends on your personal preferences. If you value more physical keys and a slightly less steep learning curve, the Voyager might be your ideal choice. However, if you're seeking ultimate portability, a minimalist aesthetic, and are willing to invest time in mastering layers, the Corne could be a fantastic fit. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy typing, everyone!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.